Hello, my name is Taylan Göker. We are from Turkey. The company name is Altın Top Dry Nuts. This is the first time on Stamegna meeting here. We are very happy to join. We are participated big fairs, big food fairs like Sial and Anuga. But this meeting is, my personal opinion, better than this kind of fairs. Happy to hear. Next time we will meet with you.
Attending for the fourth time Stamegna event, I would like to say that I'm really pleased and I'm satisfied with the conditions and finding a lot of potential suppliers for our retail chain. Advantage for us buyers, like the same as for the sellers.
I'm Bobby Patel, founder of Happy Food and Drinks. I'm from London. Found the event useful and I enjoyed meeting new buyers and opening up new market opportunities in areas around Europe that we wouldn't normally be able to tap into. The event was organised really well, we were well treated and we had a very good introduction to all the way the operation works, and we found some leads we think can lead to some potential business for our company, and so we're really happy to be part of this event.
It's a great opportunity for not just the buyers, also for the sellers to get to know each other in person and also to get to know the products better. Thank you.
My name is Tarek. I'm here with the Stamegna and it's my first edition. It's really interesting. I met it's almost 20 buyers. It's a good event to attend.
Hello, my name is Çağran Karataş. I'm an export manager of Payman. We've been participating in this event the first time, and we find it very interesting and very fascinating as well. Those companies are interesting to explore to new markets and new businesses.